Hello traders, how you doing? How's everything going now? So welcome back to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. So let's dive straight into the video. So as you can see, I had some trades running in, so I want to show you and tell you how and why I entered those trades. And so by the grace of God, they actually profit a little. So this is volatility 10 index H4. This is the 4-hour time frame here. So you can see where I entered the market around here. You can see where I entered the market here at the peak of it before it started retracing back. So I want to make this video quite short. It's not gonna be anything long. So I want to know why did I enter this market. So you understand that this market has been doing what. You understand that this market has been doing what? Forgetting about the past. Recently, this market has been doing higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, lower lows and lower high. This is a lower low, lower high, crash down, lower low, lower high, lower low, consolidation, lower low. Now, what happened? Then the market changed. You can see the market now came here and break the market structure around here. So as long as we have broken this structure, we are now in an uptrend. We are now in an uptrend. So what can we see again? The market broke structure, came back, retraced. That is a higher high, higher low, higher high. So this market, actually this point, if here is not a valid consolidation, so but this place is a valid one that broke this market structure around here. So it broke market structure around here. So and once a market breaks a market structure, it's definitely going to come back to the OB, to the order block, where, okay, this is the first time I'm saying about order block and all of that. So you can actually take it as order block, or you can take it as what, as coming back to the support. Is almost the same thing. So um I'm going to be from now on. So I'm going to be teaching actually the both. I've been teaching about retail trading, so I'm going to be teaching about institutional trading. So but in all the same, we are going to be getting it from the channel. So if you haven't smashed that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button now. So once I start uploading those videos, you won't be missed out here. So you can see the market will broke market structure around here. So once it broke market structure, I know for sure that it's going to come back to the, I always say, the trade, the point that gave it audacity to break that market structure. So you can see it's what is the last candle around here. So this is the old bridge. This is the last bearish opposite candle, the last bearish candle that took the market all the way up. So what do? Then we find our entry at around that point. So what, I wouldn't just put my sell stop around here, and my what's it called, my stop loss around here. We use time frame to refine the entry. We refine the entry. So you can see the maximum point here. You can see it. So if I want to, you can still do that, but if you want to do this, you can see smashing it around there. So if you want to join our Telegram community, is Mimi Forex Mentorship. So you can message me. My last post, I put my number is there, so you can go through the description and you can message me if you're still interested. So you can see the last OB around there. The market came, smash it and go up, but entering the market at the peak here is called a refining entry. So if you're interested, you can also message me on it, but I'm just going to go ahead and let you know about it. So we use time frame to refine the entry. We use time frame to refine it. You see that one was up. Now we step down a bit. You can see this is the main OB. So step down a bit, you can see it around here, the candlesticks around this OB. So at the touch of that candlesticks, I entered the market because that is the main OB. That is the order block that gave it audacity, and you see it's actually at where, at the peak before going up. Can you see it's actually just the peak? That's the maximum retracement before it start going up. So this market, I'm anticipating is going to push up, but if you come back and stop me out, it's actually fine. I've broken even here, and you can see the lot size is very small, so it's just the normal minimum lot size. So I'll go ahead and delete all the stuff. So that is that about that. So we are going to, let's go to volatility 100. Is actually in profit already, so you can see it around here. So why did I enter this market? This one is actually very simple. I'm just gonna shrink my screen, and you can see around that point it's where this market came to that point and what, and retrace. So this one actually came around that point, but all this is kind of consolidation to get maximum push down to this point. So onto the third coming to that point, I know for sure even if it's not going to retrace, but it's going to have something doing to come down. And what again, this market is doing what, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So until this market take off this low, we are still in an uptrend here. So the market came out to that point. You can see the market is where even people that are doing retail trading, they'll be entering the market now to push up because it's at the support of it. But me, I've gotten it at the maximum coming down. So if the market retraces back to stop me out, it's actually fine, but I'm anticipating the market should, do deep down some more, so except this market take this place off, we are seeing a bullish trend. So if the market take this place, a continuation of trend. So I'll just be watching this market as of now, and mind you, this is a 4-hour time frame, and you can see where I hop into the market around here, and my stop loss have break even already. So the market is still running since yesterday night. So we'll just go to the next one. You can see I have some running. So let's go to volatility 25, and let me show you what's happening there. So you can see this market actually came to my point but shy off a bit of it. It didn't trigger my entry. You can see this is the refining entry, this is the other block of here. So the market just came back just a little, but I don't know, the market may retrace a bit and trigger me in. Yeah, but if you keep going back, then it's fine. I mean, I missed it. So you see it's just a little thing remaining. My stop loss is really tight, and for us to make going back up, so it's still the same scenario. So if you are getting confused about this other block of a thing, you can message me. But this H volatility 75 entered the market mostly because the market was, there was a what, a turning point around here. There's a support around here that pushed the market up. So for the, onto the market coming back, it won't just break and go start coming down just like that. You have to give that place some respect. But also this market has been doing what, lower lows and lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this market might continue doing what, lower low, but until we take off this region, and that's where my stop loss is, until we take off this region, we are still in a lower low. So until we take off this high, we are now in an uptrend. So it's very pretty easy, yeah. So let's go on to the next and see. So we have V25. V25, yeah, let's see the charts. Okay, V25 actually supposed to come down here, because we are still in what, we are still in a downtrend for sure. So until we take off this high, we are still in a low, in a downtrend. So you see the market is already retracing back. So this market, I'm feeling the market is going to come down here and trigger my entry and keep going down, so this is what I'm looking out for V25. So V100 I've shown you. Okay, V100, the trade is not actually in my right zone right now. So V50, is already, oh, V50 is already dipping down some more. It's dipping down, so you can see it again. The market came out to look at, there was a zone around here, and which pushed the market all the way down. So until the market coming back to that same zone, there must be a sign of a respect of that zone. Yeah, so once the market close two more candles below, I'm going to break even very tight, like somewhere here, so coming down. So I'll just, there's no take profit for this right now, but I'm going to be noticing the candlesticks information. Once I get some candlestick information, I'm going to close the trade. Yeah, so what again, we have jump 25, we have all this one too. Let's see, I don't want to make the video quite too long. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. There is what, there is liquidity chilling around on this point, but the market is doing what, higher, lower lows and lower high. So I'm anticipating this market will come back first to what, to take out this liquidity. Many people are selling here, there are many people selling here, there are many people selling here, there are many people selling here. So being an institution trader, you have to trade not what others are trading, you trade opposite of them. Yeah, so that is where you be in a safer side. But I approach the market in the two ways. So there is a way I'm going to approach it as a retail trader. When I see the manipulation, I'm going to come as an institutional trader. So you can see the market will come here and take off. Once it comes here, this is the order block that make it, give it the audacity to break even here, to break this market continuation of structure. So it's going to come here and trigger me in. But if this market goes up, until this market breaks here, then we are in an uptrend. Yeah, so this is the point of maximum point of retracement. So that's what I'm anticipating for that, and that's how I did others, and they are actually going. Yeah, so what again, boom is actually in a point, but I don't really know. Let's see, I guess the okay, boom broke market structure. Yeah, so I'm anticipating boom to retrace, but I don't know, either it's going to retrace to this place or retrace back to this place. So you can see it's already forming a retracement here, so I'm just gonna wait, and it's a spike I'm going to catch. So once it come here, I'm going to see some candlestick spiking stuff, and I'll enter to go back up. So it's very easy. So if this is what you want to be looking out for, kindly like and subscribe. Yeah, turn on your bell notification and smash that subscribe button, smash it. So see you in my next video, and take care of yourself, stay safe. Yeah, peace.